For the best medical and paramedical lectures, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay connected with us.
Hello guys, myself Tony. Today we will learn about fractures and its types. So let's begin. So first of all, we will learn what is fracture. A fracture is a break usually in a bone. If the broken bone punctures the skin, it is called an open or compound fracture. So here fracture is one type of break in bones. If bone breaks and punctures the skin, so it is called open or compound fracture. So fracture commonly happen when there is a vehicle accident or a car accident, falls or a sports injuries, and others causes are low bone density and osteoporosis, which causes weakening of the bones. So this is what is fracture, and now we will see types of fracture. So types of fracture. So there are 7 type of fractures. First is green stick fracture, transverse fracture, spiral fracture, compression fracture, commutated fracture, segmental fracture, and oblique fracture. So we will learn one by one. So first fracture is green stick fracture. In this incomplete fracture, the broken bone is not completely separated. So you can see in this picture green stick fracture. So in this it occurs when bones bends or cracks instead of breaking completely into separate species, and in this fracture mostly occurs in the 10 years of children. So this is a green stick fracture. Then further is transverse fracture. So the breaks in a straight line across the bone. So you can see in this picture transverse fracture. So in this bone breaks at the right angle to the long plane of the bone, and it's occur as strong force applied. Okay, so this is transverse fracture. Further is oblique fracture, diagonal break across the bone. You can see in this picture. So in this oblique fractures are slanted fractures that occurs when force applied at any angle other than a right angle to the bone. So by that extreme twisting force being exerted on bone, and by this fracture is occur. Further is spiral fracture. The break spirals around the bones, common in the twisting injury. So in this picture you can see spiral fracture. In this it occurs when a long bone is broken by a twisting force. Example, we can say that in football, two players running into one another and the leg are twisted, and by this fracture can occur. So this is spiral fracture. Then compression fracture. So the bone is crushed, causing the broken bone to be wider or flatter in appearance. So in this picture you can see compression fracture. In that, fall or lift a heavy object may cause fracture of a backbone, and this fracture typically caused by osteoporosis, loss of bone mass, and this occurs at older age. Then further is comminuted fracture. In this, the break is in the 3 or 4 more species and fragment are present at the fracture site. So in this picture you can see comminuted fracture. In this break or a splinter of a bone into more than 2 fragments, and this fracture can occur in high impact trauma such as a vehicle accident. And further is segmental fracture. The same bone is fractured in 2 places, so there is a floating segment of bone. So see in the picture segmental fracture. So in this, a fracture that composed at least 2 fractures line that together isolate segment of bones, and this can occur in high impact trauma such as accident, etc. So that's it, guys. This is all about fractures and its types. Hope you all like this lecture. Thank you so much for listening, and please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more amazing lectures. We will be back with another lecture. Till then, be happy, stay home, stay safe.
Do like, leave a comment, and share with your friends.